So we're getting the windshield replaced today. If you look at it, there's only one little crack, and it goes all the way up. I got an upper control arm coming today. It's really early in the morning. And I got the helicopters up there. But yeah, I just want to give a little update before the video actually starts and takes a place. This way y'all know the windshield's cracked and that there's a, y'all remember everything. So, windshield's cracked, got an upper control arm coming today. Still need to find a wheel, door, and fix the bumper. But here it is, we got windshield. He'll be here in a little while and we'll replace it. Got an issue. I'm about to go in the shop. It's nice and warm in there. Got the air hooked up and got the car up in the 4-post. Y'all seen that? So let's this fool said do a burnout. I'm so glad I didn't. Oh, it lost a tire. So those pieces broke. It goes right there. They got all these fairly lines. Maybe that's bent a little bit. That's got a little dent in it. Of course, up here, that's the one I'm gonna take the bolt out and put a new bolt in. Probably could use a shock, but it looks bent. If you see it right there, it looks a little bent. I said there's a little bent there, maybe. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it's not bad either. Got it all on, all tight. I was gonna try to put this up there, but pretty sure it's just not gonna go. All this pink stuff, wipe it off. Try to power wash everything in here. I'm gonna try to just get some pliers. See that gap? I'm just gonna try to put some of that together. It's really not that bad. But the door is bad, so So we got it all fixed up. About to go for the first test drive. Y'all ready? $60 is what I got in it. Like I was saying, got the seatbelt on now. First test drive needs alignment. That's a given. But heck, we're doing 40 down the road. It drives quiet and smooth. All the lights are off finally. Tire light, that's another given with the alignment. Let's see. Traction control off. We don't need traction control. I think we're in this car right now at 48, maybe 4,900 bucks. Still need a door and still need a wheel. The door was like 420 and the wheel was like 388, which is just insane. And those are used, black matching door. Really, none of that stuff is gonna happen because I'll go somewhere else and get it cheaper. I'm gonna get it on the main road up here on Center Road and see what we got. If y'all need a windshield and you're in OKC, I'm gonna have all the information listed below. We're talking Oklahoma City. His name's John with Fast Track. He gave me a good deal on this. I'm not gonna say he's gonna give everybody a good deal, but however, he does give good deals. He's probably the best in town when it comes to windshields or windows. Just can't beat his prices. So his information is gonna be down below. Give him a call, tell him Steven at City Express sent you, and see what he'll give you on some good deals. He does windshields, and I know he does windshields and back windows. I think he does like passenger windows and stuff too, I'd imagine, being a window place. But we're cruising now, doing 40. I still ain't got this car 100% legal, so I ain't gonna act too crazy. It brakes good. And it gets up and goes. It's driving good, y'all. Oh, look at this. Tire lights. There's two missing. It's gone. Now we have no lights on the dash, which is better for me. Still gotta do an oil change, and like I said, those other couple parts. I think I'll be in this, depending on what I find, maybe 45 or 5 to 55. So another $1,000 or so, give or take. There's another one right there. I bet he don't want to race though.